Meaning of dukedom.
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 Dukedom. A dukedom is a territory or jurisdiction ruled by a duke or duchess. This term originated in medieval Europe, where dukes held significant political power and were often granted land by monarchs. Dukedoms were typically larger and more influential than other types of feudal holdings, such as baronies or earldoms. Today, the term is largely ceremonial and often refers to titles and honors conferred by royalty. In some countries, such as the United Kingdom, dukedoms are still bestowed as titles of nobility on members of the royal family or other influential individuals.